The best family camcorder of this year 2011-2012 is the Sony Handycam HDR-PJ10E. A tiny but powerful DLP projector built-in allows instant playback for the whole family to enjoy, even projected onto a light-colored wall in a darkened room. This fantastic combined camcorder projector is the best family-oriented product on the market today, enabling the whole family to enjoy sharing their own movies instantly. For those reasons, it has won an EISA award.